Just looking around everywhere.
Wait, did you turn it down between 6:30 and 9? Because I only tapped it 3 times. Push rate 20.
Yeah, I don't care.
Hazy has hiccups.
I didn't
Uh-huh.
somehow. Let's make them even. There we go.
Oh, you see upped her a little bit?
Yeah, I don't. For some reason, I only tapped it 3 times, but for some reason, it was a little lower than I wanted it to be.
I see. Okay.
Too much of a jump.
Yeah, I would be surprised if she were ahead of her brother just yet, but because she's like the skinny little supermodel.
Yeah. So I went down not quite half a degree.
Don't get her on the supermodel diet yet.
I know. Well,
She's doing it herself.
She's doing it herself, it's not us.
Haly, you want to be a model?
Yeah. Haly girl. Haly with hiccups.
Haly,
Even hiccups make her sleepy.
everything makes her sleepy.
What does that look?
She's sleepy.
Uh-huh.